Hi, and welcome to Cooking in Mike's Backyard. Today we're going to be doing a great experiment. See, I've been to a lot of pool parties and backyard barbecues this summer, and I'm always torn between like having a sausage or a cheeseburger. And then I realized it's a false choice. What I need to do is invent the cheeseburger sausage. So today I'm going to show you how to make one, or we're going to learn together. I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to start out with 3 pounds of ground beef. This is 30% fat ground beef. You want to make sure the fat content's at about 30% because otherwise the sausages are going to dry out. To that we're going to add some hamburger spice mix, just regular store-bought spices that are designed to make for making your backyard hamburgers. We have 2 diced Roma tomatoes, 1 diced yellow onion, and a ½ pound of Colby Jack cheese cut into cubes about that size. In addition to the filling, you're also going to need hog casing, or any kind of sausage casing. I'm using hog today. The hog casing comes in these packages like this. It comes in kind of a knot of various hog casings. You just want to pull out 1 or 2. In this case, I think we're going to need 2, depending on the length. Yeah, 2 should do. And just take them and soak them in warm water for about 30 minutes to soften them up. So while the hog casings are hydrating, just take the ground beef and put it in a bowl and break it up. Once you have the ground beef ground up, just sprinkle in some seasoning. I'm going to use about 1/3 of the container. And maybe a little more. Toss in your onions, tomatoes, and the cheese. And then just mix it up. You want to make sure that your onions, cheese, and tomatoes are good sized chunks because you don't want them to incorporate into the meat. Rather, you want them to be part of the hamburger experience, so to speak. So when you bite in there, you can see the tomatoes, you can see the cheese, you can see the onions. Once you get this mixed up, just put it in the refrigerator until your sausage casings have rehydrated. So I did a video on the process of making sausage where I really went into the equipment, but this is a sausage stuffer. It's probably the easiest one to get. It's just a really great item. I urge you to watch my other video on sausage making where I discuss it in greater detail. Once you get your sausage casing hydrated, you just slide it onto the feeder tube. After the casing is on the stuffing wand, just take your filling and put it in the hopper. Once the hopper is filled, just want to purge out all the air. Fill the sausage filling tube up. Once the meat is coming out of the end of the tube, just pull the casing back and tie it off in a knot. All right, now we're ready to make some sausage. So once you get your sausage casing filled, you're going to want to twist them. So what I do is I squeeze down until there's about the right thickness that I want, about that much, and I twist clockwise. And then I move on to the next one, squeeze down, and I want to twist it the other direction. Now what happens is as I tighten this one, this knot here on this end is tightening as well. All right, now that they're all twisted up, it's time to put them in the smoker. All right, so we're going to smoke these with hickory at 225 for 2 hours. All right, the sausage has been in for 2 hours. They're kind of a little loose, but let's cut it and see what we got going on inside here. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, let's give it a taste. They're really juicy. They look great. You can see the chunks of tomato and cheese in there. Let's give it a taste. Oh, those are great. I would definitely call this a success. Wow. Definitely gotta try that again. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit like. Please hit subscribe. I'm posting videos as often as I can. Have a great day. And one for the dog. How is that? Good? Yeah.